Check this out. If you don't already know, the Joliet Public Library has study rooms. Crazy renovations. I'm gonna take you downstairs real quick for a quick tour of the studios, the audios, the visuals. Awesome facility, awesome renovation.
Yeah, because we've got 2 rooms here. We've got this one. They're pretty much exactly the same. There's a little stopper in there. They're equipped with some microphone stands and mixing board and a computer. We use Ableton Live to record audio. We've got a keyboard there for musicians as well. We've got more microphones, but this is an example of one Shure SM7B. That's like a really great vocal or like podcasting type mic.
Got you.
So, yeah. Hook you up with some headphones. You can get like green screen.
Now we're going into the green screen, bro.
That's right. All these different lights in the ceiling. I could turn those on. And they can like change colors and stuff.
Green screen.
On the green screen, you can like remove the background. You can, it's small, but if you have like a small meeting, you can rent that one out.
Yeah.
We're storing a bunch of stools in there right now, and this one I don't think you can rent out, but eventually we're gonna be hosting like artists. Like, it's basically gonna be like.
Yep, that's the brief tour for today. We may do a more extensive tour. I'm thinking about it, so we'll see what happens.